Can I get?
Totally targeted arrest. Why are you asking him? What did he do? You targeted fucking money. They're targeting people here. Fuck you. Why did you arrest him? Nobody stepped off the sidewalk. Shut up. What the fuck is wrong
Like, fuck wrong with you, bro? Y'all are fucking pathetic. They didn't do shit. They didn't do fucking shit.
Ah, cool. Someone wants to do a staring contest. I got you.
He looked away.
You arrested a medic, bro. I don't care. Your fucking police officer motherfucking friends did. You're on the force, so I should assume so. The fuck? What the fuck? What is funny? Bro.
You would communicate with your team.
Bro, you're a team, right? So you would communicate with each other, right?
Really see that's the flaw in the logic. If they were a reasonable fucking organization. If they were a reasonable organization, we wouldn't have been out there for 85 fucking nights. You don't even know what.
Okay, whatever.
You don't know what they're doing.
What are you fighting for?
I know what
You're fighting for justice or your justice?
he's a medic.
We're press.
What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I'm literally just standing
Take
here.
a couple steps back.
I'm literally
We
just
need a
fucking
couple,
standing
at
here.
least a couple steps.
Obviously want to stay in the
So?
fucking street.
For all you know, I live in this motherfucking neighborhood. Who cares? If I'm not doing anything, I can stand here. I'm not doing shit. Fuck out of here, bro.
A heads up on that you arrest people for not doing shit.
For literally, I'm just standing. Can you get my face on this fucking recording, please? Because I'm just
Or
fucking
heads
standing
up
here.
that y'all arrested somebody.
No! No!